Hello, it's me again, Stanley, and I am taking over my wife's YouTube channel. Just kidding. Anyways, I was reading the newspaper this morning, the Los Angeles Times, and in the Times there was an article, "In uncertain times, retirement isn't what it used to be." This is written by Jamie Ding and Ronald D. White. Retirement. The word conjures up thoughts of relaxing on a tropical beach, playing with grandkids, and taking up bird watching or gardening. But the nature of retirement as a reliable reward for a lifetime of work is changing with the uncertain times. Many Americans found themselves forced into an early retirement when they lost their jobs during the COVID-19 pandemic. Unable to find new employment, they pinched their pennies and hunkered down at home. Some faced the unpredictability and the high mortality rate of COVID-19 among seniors, resolved to enjoy the years of life they had left. Others, flummoxed by the sudden drop in value of their 401ks and the rising costs of necessities, opted to put off retiring or even to return to the job market. So today is not my birthday, but next week it is. And when I post this video, my birthday will be tomorrow. Anyways, that got me to thinking. So I went on to the Social Security Administration website and I found out that when I turn 67, which is in 8 years, I'm going to receive $2,570 every month. But if I wait 3 years more at age 70, I'm going to receive $3,204 per month. So this is the question, and I know this is a secondary math problem, but I know elementary teachers, you're able to figure this out as well. So the question is, if I retire at age 67 and I take my full benefits, I make $2,570 every month. Stanley version 2 decides to retire at age 70 3 years later and will receive $3,204 every month. Well, sometime in the future, Stanley version 2 will surpass me taking the retirement at age 67. Well, the question is, at what point in the future will that happen? Will it happen when I am too old to enjoy the extra money that I'll receive? Or will it happen too soon that I would regret retiring 3 years too soon? So the graph will look something like this, and I'm not going to write any numbers because this is just going to be an estimate of the graph. So here we go. So if I retire here at age 67, the slope may look like this. That's how much money is being put in the bank, $2,570 every month. But if I retire 3 years later, like over here, I'm going to be putting $3,204 every month. And maybe the slope is a little bit higher like this. And it will cross here. At that point, Stanley version 2 is getting more money than me retiring at age 67. Well, the question is, right, when will this happen? What if it's at age 120? Well, obviously I'll do the 67 because I don't plan on living till 120 years old. But if it happens, really soon, then, oh man, I feel really bad because I took my retirement too soon. All right, so go ahead and try to solve this problem. Put your answer in the comments below, and what we'll do is we'll go through each one and then we'll do some shout outs to the correct answers and even shout outs to the really funny ones. And then I'll post another video with the actual mathematical equations to solve this problem. All right, we'll see you next week.